Hey, welcome to the channel. My name is Josh, and if you've been a longtime subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new, welcome to the channel. We cover all kinds of things of finding things that we can buy and sell online for a potential profit. But if you've been noticing to little critical things, we switched the name up a little bit. Flips, Finds, Fun is now Flips, Finds, and Fun. I was tired of watching everybody get tongue-tied going flips, finds, fun. I even messed up on it a bunch. So we just added that in there. It's on our stickers and things like that as well. So those are the things that we will cover. Things that we flip, things that we go out and find and treasure hunt, and a lot of fun that we get to do as a family doing it. So in today's video, you're going to see some of our local thrift store footage. Couple different days heading to Goodwill, but it's also to show you what we run into. Other resellers, trouble with items and things such as that, but the kindness that we get to have, finding new people that we run into that love doing the same thing that we do, and also some of the employees. They're just great people to run into, so enjoy today's footage while we head to Goodwill and a couple other thrift stores. But I'm hoping Goodwill has something for us.
I always get that impression of. That's my impression.
See. Oh, those are cool.
Look at it. Those are all kind of wedges. That's cool. But not...
Yeah. It's not that old.
I didn't think, I just was like, I don't know anything.
Yeah. Roundtree and York.
Excuse me? Do you know where I would find overalls around here?
Okay.
Have a hole. Doesn't look. Oh. Love you.
Love you. Okay. Recording over this little part here because these are brand new racks, and we love it when Goodwill brings that out. All brand new stuff that we can dig through, but they park these racks directly under the main speaker of the store. So, enjoy. I saw that. Super strange little clip right there. Picked up 2 more Callaway 3/4 zips in a different part of the same store that I got them earlier in the week, and they wanted like $4 to $5 more per jacket. Same Goodwill, people. Everybody dug through the cart, and they didn't get these. Need a little washing?
Yeah, it was a little.
Yeah, V5s. Like, we've had some big attention on our Callaway polos. It's the good season for hopefully that's on camera. Having a baby at a thrift store.
That's a huge bit of...
Now that we had a little cleanup, so you said the two things I was talking about, the Callaway pullover is not worth $8.
No, they'd only go for like 15 to 20 right now.
Okay, what about these
No,
7
on the
jeans?
jeans, they'd only go for about $20 as well.
So I'm wiping out. This is why my wife's better than me. There were some Carhartt. That's kind of weird though. The tag's upside down. That one's normal.
Yeah, that's odd.
I don't know. Do they make fake Carhartt?
I mean, it's got this down here. Yeah, that's odd. But I don't think these are worth it either.
Okay, so I grabbed these too. So Carhartt button downs. But tell me about this, because I saw you like going crazy on that first rack.
I mean,
Stop it. Get some help.
it's Ariat denim, so I know their boots do good, so I figured why not look up the jeans.
Yep, Ariat denim, Ariat denim. And
Those
then
are
this.
Ross Revival. I know for a fact that these will do well. I don't know how much, but I know
Stitching's
they'll do
cool.
well. That was just a FUBU short sleeve like sweater.
Made in
It
Korea.
just seemed kind of cool. And this was a single stitch t-shirt that I didn't really know anything about.
Ladies
either,
and
but-
gentlemen, start your
And it's got like
engines.
Sega on the sleeve.
Official license. Yeah, fabrics made in USA, single stitch Sega.
I
I don't know.
anything about it.
We'll have to look that up. So we're super excited to find this Sega promotional t-shirt. It was new old stock. But then I noticed that smell. If you smell the black dyed clothing, gets that syrupy smell. We went to try to slide it off of the like hanger, and there it tore. It was already dry rotting. So you'll see. I tried to go take it to bring it to the attention of one of the managers and employees at Goodwill. How you doing?
Pretty good. How about you?
Doing well. How's it going? Here, I'm gonna show y'all this. It's a little tip.
Show me a Dawn.
Huh?
Show me a
I'll show
Dawn.
both of y'all. You get throw this shirt in the trash.
Why's that?
Okay. So when it's an old shirt and it's black.
I'm throwing them in the trash.
No, this will. Because this, as soon as it gets washed, it's gonna fall apart.
Okay.
Okay. So the old black ink from the 90s had something in there and it rots the fabric. Okay. So you can test it. You just pull on the sleeve and watch what happens. Okay. Just pull the fabric. Pull it with me.
We don't trash. We don't trash. We don't use that word here.
I know.
Yeah, we bail it.
That's a good word.
Bell.
But this is a good test
And
just to
then it
show
goes
them.
to the, you know where it goes, right? To the outlet, and it's sold by the pound.
No. I know. I'm just saying.
You do know that?
Yes.
Well, I know you and your wife don't buy stuff like this. So.
Yeah, we do. That's a $50 shirt if that was already washed.
Do you want it?
I would, but it's
Got a
no.
hole in it.
It's, no. I'll pay for it. Okay. I'll
Just
pay for
tell me
it.
to trash it.
I'll pay for it to show you,
No,
so I can show you.
I ain't gonna sell no with something like this.
No, that's what I'm gonna show you real quick. Okay.
You trying to rip it?
No, I'm not trying to rip it.
What are you trying to do?
I'm showing you how easy it's gonna fall
I
apart.
trust you. I trust
I'm for real, because
been knowing you
that is
for
a
years.
beautiful shirt. It's a beautiful shirt. So we didn't go over everything we picked up because a lot of it went back, but we
Yeah.
got
Some Christmas shirts.
for the boys. All right, you said these were a yeah.
Yeah, Rock Revival. It's the first time I've ever actually found these. But these should go for like $50.
$50. All right, and then 2 pair of Ariat jeans.
Yeah, Ariat denim.
All the other Ariat stuff does well.
Yeah, like their boots and shoes and stuff.
So
So these should do like $40 a piece.
nice.
They're great
Because we
condition.
typically don't buy jeans.
Not
Goodwill's a
at
little
Goodwill. The
higher.
jeans here are $9.
Yeah.
That'd be good for this store, but I don't
Alright.
know if we plan on being in here that long. Or just get it.
Yeah.
That's not that
Just
hard.
no, wheel her around the loop and leave. Grab a card if we find something. of the yard. I did too.
What's this animated ornament?
Ticker ornament.
It's big.
Yeah. Do we need a cart?
Well, here, we can make some quick decisions real quick. Little kid, $9.97.
I'll have to look them up.
I don't know how much they are. They were $13, now they're something. These are dirty, but I'm like, does that, to me, that's a 99¢.
Think so.
I'm like, for $1? I don't know.
My town's smaller than yours.
Yeah.
These are marked up a little bit, but they're all birds. They are asking
5.
Oh wait,
That's 5. Yeah,
okay,
it's $5.
that's not asking a lot. I just saw somebody said that these are their best-selling sketchers that they sell. I think they're 9.
Deluxe Walker.
They look like Hocus.
Yep.
And some brand new 5 fingers for 9.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, because he loves to color.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah.
She's right there. She's getting sleepy.
Oh my goodness.
Question. Y'all know the handwriting. What was that marked down to?
$6.98.
$6.98. Okay.
Oh my goodness, look at her little eyes.
She say I'm getting sleepy.
So
So all in all, thrift stores are still a great way to find some stuff to flip online. And during the winter months here in Virginia, it's one of the ways that we'll keep getting our inventory. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We're 100 away from 3,000 subs. So share this video. Let some people know what we do. It helps our family out a ton. And we're just going to leave you with getting ready for Christmas. Santa Claus decided to come around to the neighborhood. We'll see you on the next video. Enjoy this fun little clip. Hold on. He's going to come right by here. All right, you ready? You got to wave. Wave. There he is. There he is, guys. He's up on top. There he is.